What is staking in crypto, and why are so many investors doing it? Staking is how you earn passive income by helping to secure a blockchain network. It's used by proof-of-stake cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, Cardano, and Solana. Here's how it works. You lock up your crypto, usually through your wallet or an exchange, and delegate it to the network. This makes you a validator or supports one. In return, you earn rewards, often paid out daily or weekly. Think of it like earning interest on your crypto holdings, except you're also helping the blockchain run smoothly and securely. But it's not just free money. There are risks. Your coins are still subject to market volatility. If prices drop, your staking rewards might not cover the loss. Some networks also have penalties called slashing if your validator behaves dishonestly or goes offline. Still, staking is becoming more popular because it offers an alternative to traditional mining. It doesn't require expensive hardware or huge energy costs, and many major platforms like Coinbase, Kraken, and Binance let you stake with just a few clicks. The more you stake, the more you can earn, but also the more you trust the protocol or the validator you choose. Ethereum's shift from mining to staking in 2022 showed how serious the industry is about sustainability. And now, staking is a central feature of most next-gen blockchains. So, should you stake your crypto? If you plan to hold long-term, staking can help your coins grow while supporting the network. Just research the token's rules, understand the lockup periods, and calculate your potential returns. For full staking guides and trusted platform reviews, check out the full article now at crypto101.com. This is Crypto 101, Crypto Simplified, Wealth Amplified.